Hello everyone, welcome back to AB Academy. In this video we are exploring the science behind UV visible spectrophotometry, one of the most widely used technique in pharmaceutical analysis. Before starting the lecture, click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you never miss any new updates. Firstly, let us see what is UV visible spectrophotometry. UV visible spectrophotometry is an analytical technique used to measure how much light a chemical substance absorbs. It deals with light in the ultraviolet (UV) range, which is between 200 to 400 nanometers, and the visible range, which is 400 to 700 nanometers. Let's see the instrumentation and working of UV visible spectrophotometer. The UV visible spectrophotometer is a easy-to-understand analytical instrument made up of several components. Let's see one by one. First, light source. The deuterium lamp is typically used for the ultraviolet region around 190 to 400 nanometers. Provide a stable and intense light source, making it suitable for UV measurement. Tungsten halogen lamp is used for the visible range 400 to 700 nanometer. It emits a strong beam of visible light with good spectral output. Xenon arc lamp is also used. Next, monochromator. Monochromator uses optical components like prism or diffraction gratings to separate light into its components' wavelength. The slit system then narrows down the light to a specific, selectable wavelength which is sent to the sample. This ensures that only one wavelength interacts with the sample, making absorbance measurement more precise and specific. Sample holder. The sample is placed in a cuvette, which is a small, transparent container typically made from quartz. Path length, usually 1 centimeter, is standardized so absorbance measurements can be compared and calculated using Beer-Lambert law. Next, detector. After the light passes through the sample, a photomultiplier tube in the detector captures the remaining transmitted light. It then converts this light into an electrical signal, which is proportional to the intensity of light. The detector is essential for translating the amount of absorbed light into a readable digital value, usually absorbance, A. And the last, signal processor and display system. The electronic processor converts the electrical signal into numerical data and plots it against wavelength if needed. The display unit, often integrated with software, shows the final output, stores data, and may allow spectral scanning, peak analysis, or calibration. Without this component, we couldn't analyze or interpret the data we get from the sample. This is where science meets usability. Principle of UV visible spectrophotometer. At the core of UV visible spectrophotometry is a principle called the Beer-Lambert law. It states that the absorbance of light by a solution is directly proportional to the concentration of the absorbing species and the path length of the light through the solution. The equation is A, where A is the absorbance, E is the molar absorptivity, a constant, C is the concentration, L is the path length, usually in centimeter. As per the Beer-Lambert law, the greater the number of absorbing molecules that have the ability to absorb light of a specific wavelength, the greater the extent of absorption of the radiation. The instrument has a light source which emits light that passes through a monochromator. The monochromator selects a specific wavelength of light. The selected light then passes through the sample in a cuvette and finally reaches to a detector. The detector compares the light intensity before and after it passes through the sample. The difference tells us how much light was absorbed, and that absorbance value is used to calculate the concentration. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.